Yo, what is up, future Ford fanatics? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're not just looking at a new Lexus, we're peering into a crystal ball, glimpsing the electric future of luxury. Forget the NX you know, forget the gasoline engine, because what we have here is a radical vision, the potential all-new, all-electric 2026 Lexus NX. Just feast your eyes on this design language. Lexus is calling it the Spindle Body evolution. The traditional grille has morphed into a seamless, aerodynamic front fascia that screams electric power. It's not just about looking different, it's about maximizing efficiency for the EV age. Those razor-sharp headlights and the sculpted body lines give this thing a predator-like stance. This isn't just luxury, it's electric luxury. And the futuristic minimalism continues around back. That single blade-like LED light bar and the bold Lexus lettering make a powerful modern statement. It's clean, it's sophisticated, and it tells you everything you need to know about Lexus's commitment to this electric future. Okay, hold the phone, because the interior, this is next-level stuff. Welcome to the Tazuna cockpit, inspired by the Japanese word for the reins of a horse. Everything is centered around the driver. Peep that futuristic yoke steering wheel. That's fly-by-wire technology right there. And the dashboard? It's one massive curved panoramic display, seamlessly integrating your instrument cluster and infotainment like we've never seen from Lexus before. It's a perfect blend of traditional Japanese craftsmanship and cutting-edge technology. This thing looks like it's straight out of a sci-fi movie, but let's talk about what's powering this vision. This is where Lexus steps into the electric future with confidence. We're not talking cylinders or turbochargers anymore. We're talking pure electric power. Next-gen EV platform. This concept is likely riding on Lexus's brand-new dedicated EV platform, engineered for maximum performance and efficiency. Direct 4 all-wheel drive. This intelligent AWD system uses dual electric motors, one on each axle, to instantly distribute torque where it's needed most. Expect lightning-fast acceleration and razor-sharp handling. Battery and range? We're anticipating a next-generation battery pack, possibly even solid-state down the line, delivering a seriously impressive range. We're talking somewhere in the ballpark of 370 to 400 miles, or around 600 to 650 kilometers on a single charge. Power? That dual-motor direct 4 system should easily deliver upwards of 450 horsepower, giving this electric NX some serious silent speed. As a next-generation premium electric SUV from Lexus, this tech won't come cheap. The current Lexus RZ already commands a premium price tag. For this more advanced 2026 model, especially considering potential import duties and luxury taxes in Indonesia, we could see a price range starting around IDR 2.3 billion and potentially climbing to IDR 2.6 billion or even higher for top-spec models. So, there you have it, a bold and electrifying vision from Lexus. They're not just building electric cars, they're reimagining the entire luxury driving experience. Radical design, a revolutionary interior, and the promise of exhilarating electric performance. The big question for you is, are you ready for an electric Lexus that looks like this? Is this the right direction for the NX? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe for more future car reveals, and we'll catch you in the next one.